show y'all, tell y'all, currently living here in the mobile home, in the real world, yeah. It's hot out there, people, right now. Sunshine outside. Yeah, so I get out of the stoop, on the stoops, yeah, I am from here. Log. Chill. That's how I get into the mobile home on it. Climb up. Chime up. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. That's right. Some of your time up, get your rhymes up. Oh. Holla, hey, yo. So look out, pull myself up each time. You just got two hands, usually. So I gotta get in the mobile home. Why am I talking? Go. Yo, that's me, dog. Yo, that's me, dog. Yo, that's me, dog. Yo, that's me, dog. Yeah, that's me, dog. Schedule. Get the schedules. The sketchy walls. And the in-stores, outdoors. Lots of chores to do. Hey, yo. Joe Budden with the hey, yo. Oh, man, God bless. I move around with my headphones. See me all day with my headphones. It's me with my headphones. Yeah, dog. Yo, shout out, yo, what up to Ice-T? Yeah, man. Hip hop for real, dog. Yeah, no. Oh, shit. Cool out. Sit down. Living here at the mobile home. Cooling out, and we getting stoned. Cool kind of spaceship. Living in a spaceship. Dog. In a spaceship. Yo. You see that, man? Flying saucers and claws or wrists. This is a gift. This thing called life and some strife and pain and struggle. You know, love y'all. Give you a hug. I enjoy writing poetry. It's me. Yo, dog. That's me, dog. Yo, that's me, dog. Yeah, that's me, dog. Yeah, dog. Yo, that's me, dog. Yeah, that's me, dog.